Okay, so viewers and my dear friends, today the guest we have is a prosthodontist and implantologist. He is expert in the field of occlusion, we can say. So हम में से ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो हमने अपने डेंटल कॉलेज डेज में हमने देखा होगा कि हमारे सीनियर्स क्राउन कर रहे हैं एंड पेशेंट के माउथ में क्राउन बिठाते हैं और ब्लू और रेड कलर का कोई पेपर लेके कट कट बाइट करने के लिए कहते हैं और फिर वो कुछ एडजस्टमेंट करते हैं और हम फिर देखते थे वाह व्हाट अ मैजिकल थिंग इज दिस। वो एडजस्टमेंट करने के बाद वो क्राउन फिट हो जाता था। हमारी नॉस्टैल्जिक डेज की मेमोरीज वो हैं। वेल फ्रेंड्स, वो आर्टिकुलेटिंग पेपर था, अब हम सब जानते हैं। बट हम हमें कन्फ्रंट करना चाहिए कि हमें से बहुत सारे लोग आर्टिकुलेटिंग पेपर के बारे में बहुत कुछ नहीं भी जानते। सो द स्पीकर एंड द गेस्ट वी हैव is thorough with all about articulating paper. So let us know about everything. So welcome, Dr. Sufyan, to Wise Dentist Success Talks with Dr. Ravi.
Hello, Dr. Ravi. Thank you so much for having me here. It's my pleasure to be on your platform. I've been following this Wise Dentist initiative from you since a couple of months now. So I'm very happy that all these things are going on, and the topics and the speakers you have chosen are much in need at current times. So I'm very, very happy to be here and want to share as much knowledge as I have here.
I thank you on behalf of everybody for properly saying yes and coming and sharing your wisdom. So, Doc, today we would want to know everything about articulating paper. What is articulating paper? Where is it exclusively indicated? Different sizes, shapes, companies, in precise where not to use. I mean, I don't think there is any place where it is not indicated in
Yes,
dentistry,
yes,
and any special tip. So, if you could tell us what exactly is articulating paper?
yes. It's a very good topic to discuss on, and these articulating paper occlusion is part and parcel of everyday dentistry. And these articulating papers are nothing but occlusal indicators. These are used to highlight occlusal contacts by marking on the markings on the teeth or any restorations which we do. And these can be normal occlusal points or any premature occlusal points or contacts which we want to have a check on.
Okay, so doctor, if you could tell us why using articulating paper is of importance to dentists.
Yes. See, any restoration which we do or any malaligned teeth or malocclusion which we have or occlusal interferences we have in the body, our body is designed in such a way that a very small one, like 15 microns of occlusal interference it can trigger an on-toward response as small as just a biting on that particular tooth, or it can go up to a TMJ pain, or also if it is untreated and it just goes on, there can be change in our posture in our sitting and standing positions also. So hence it must be eliminated then and there, and it is very much important to have a check on occlusion.
Oh, right. So if you could tell us about all the types, कितने type के articulating papers हैं and all the different companies. I mean, बहुत सारे dentist होंगे जिनको blue और red कोई paper आता होगा, उन्हें वो पता है। फिर कोई देखते हैं कि rectangular नहीं, U shape में papers होते हैं. All you can share
Yes.
about
Uh,
size and companies.
yeah, Dr. Saab, then there are many types in articulating paper. एक हो गया normal strips जो हो गया जो rectangle shape में रहता है. One is that strip, and other is
Mhm.
modification of this strip, which is curved shape. Okay, and there are U
Okay.
shape which we use for bilateral restorations, say cast partial dentures or RPDs, or both sides bridges if you are full mouth rehabilitation CB, we use the U shape ones. And there are shim stock sheets also there, जैसे कपड़े का मीटर रहता है ना, मीटर वाला कपड़ा, it will come in that way.
Mhm.
These are basically used in
Mhm.
laboratories, not in our daily practice. And there are
Mhm.
many companies. Leader
Mhm.
is Bosch, as you know, and Coltin Hanel का भी है, Dentsply ओलों का भी है, and then many other brands जैसे Indian brands, जो Summit हुआ या दीप्ति हुआ या Mark हुआ. There are many companies also. एंड जैसे आप बोले ब्लू एंड रेड कलर जो है, these are commonly available, one side blue and other side red, and both side blue both side red भी है. So generally हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि blue side we use for static contacts, normal centric या maximum intercuspations पे, and red ones we use for the eccentric lateral, left lateral, right lateral and protrusive movements में हम लोग red color का use कर सकते हैं.
ओके ओके ओके. सो साइजेस के बारे में अगर आप बता सकें, बिकॉज वी नो कि उसका थिकनेस जो होता है आर्टिकुलेटिंग पेपर्स का वो बहुत सारे डिफरेंट, थिक वन आता है, थिन वन आता है, हाउ थिक एंड थिन आर दे, एंड इंडिकेशंस.
Yes. Sizes, it will start from 8 microns, 10 microns, 12 भी है Bosch वालों के पास, and 40 microns, 100 and 200 microns. These are the ones available. Normal दूसरे companies में 127 microns and there are subdivisions also, but generally practice में 8 या तो फिर 12 microns का एक, 40 microns and 100 microns is enough, I feel so.
ओके. एंड कितना माइक्रोन कौन से तरह के केसेस में हमें यूज करना चाहिए, अगर आप वो बता सके, लाइक जो आपने डिफरेंट थिकनेस बताया, और हाँ, तो वो अगर आप बता सके.
Yes. See the minute, the 8 and 12 वाला size जो है micron वाला, that one we use for any implant restoration, maybe a single crown or a bridge or full mouth में जब भी use करते हैं, maximum intercuspations पे हुआ, and occlusion में we have to have a check. And 40 microns I prefer to use on crown and bridge cases, be it bilateral or single crown or bilateral bridges or bilateral crowns भी है. So 40 microns and 100 micron and 200 microns maybe I'll prefer for removable processes, maybe acrylic dentures हुआ है, cast partials हुआ है तो complete dentures हुआ. For that cases, any denture cases, we can, removable cases, we can use 100 microns.
ओके. एंड डॉक्टर आप अगर बता सकें, लाइक वी नो कि डिफरेंट शेप्स भी है, जैसे आपने बोला रेक्टेंगुलर है, सर्कुलर है, और सो इन डिटेल अगर कितने सारे शेप्स होते हैं और वो भी कहाँ इंडिकेटेड होता है.
यस. ये जैसे नॉर्मल मैं जब बोल रहा था स्ट्रिप्स है, नॉर्मली विच द रेक्टेंगल शेप वाले स्ट्रिप्स है, सिंगल क्राउन, जैसे पीएफएम क्राउन है, जिरकोनिया क्राउन है, रूट कैनाल ट्रीटेड है, सिंगल क्राउन है, इन सच केसेस वी कैन यूज दिस. उसके लिए फिर वी हैव टू यूज अ आर्टिकुलेटिंग पेपर होल्डर. ओके, जो अगर रेक्टेंगल है, रेक्टेंगल शेप का भी रेक्टेंगल होल्डर भी है, वी हैव अ कर्व्ड, फॉर अ कर्व्ड पेपर होल्डर. Okay, and for U shape, which we use in bilateral restorations, full mouth rehabilitation, right and left via opposite arch, right upper and left lower, or same side or opposite side also we use. We have articulating paper holder for a U frame, this is like a U shaped also. Okay, and anteriors में अगर use करना है तो फिर curved वाला हम लोग use कर सकते हैं anteriors में, anterior rehabilitations में.
Okay, so doctor, if you could tell us, like we know that there are a number of companies available in articulating papers. So जैसे Bosch ऐसा माना जाता है कि जो सक्सेसफुल या अच्छे डेंटिस्ट हैं, वेल्दी डेंटिस्ट हैं, वो Bosch का यूज करेंगे, और जो इनिशियल प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं वो दीप्ति या इस तरह के, हम नॉट ट्राइंग टू नेम लेके हम कुछ इंडिकेट नहीं करना चाह रहे हैं, बट जस्ट टू आस्क यू. तो आप क्या रिकमेंड करेंगे कि लाइक बिगिनर को क्या यूज करना चाहिए, इन जनरल क्या यूज करना चाहिए, एंड क्यों अगर बिगिनर यूज कर रहे हैं Bosch तो उनके लिए कैसे वो एक्सपेंसिव ना होके उनके प्रैक्टिस के लिए अच्छा है, इफ यू कुड गाइड अस.
यस, देयर आर मेनी कंपनीज, जैसे आप मैं पहले बोल रहा था Bosch है, Henel है, अदर कंपनीज, लोकल कंपनीज आल्सो. But Bosch, why are those leaders in the market for occlusion articulating papers are, ये अच्छे रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड है और रिसर्च पेपर्स है इन पे, and they have patented their technology over use of this articulating papers. जो हम टेक्नोलॉजी यूज किए हैं, जो I'll just explain you that also. जैसे हम लोग प्रैक्टिस में, what you said is right, we have tendency to use cost effective, जो चलता है we will use it. कई बार कार्बन पेपर्स भी यूज होते हैं occlusion चेक करने के लिए, which is not indicated. And why is it not indicated is these are just hydrophobic waxes, ऊपर जो लेयर रहता है उनके कार्बन पेपर्स में जो है, नॉर्मल कार्बन आर्टिकुलेटिंग पेपर है, इवन दो अक्लूजन नहीं है, just if you take that
mm,
strip and just move over the surface, smudge marks aa jayenge.
mm.
And what we feel that okay,
Oh,
contact hai, then you go on reducing
mm,
this. So
mm,
tooth surface में जैसे गिरता जाएगा and we go on reducing it. This
mm.
by using these kind of materials, इसमें क्या होता है, there will be pseudo contacts, not an actual contact high
Okay.
point. So
Mm, mm,
that is the
mm.
reason we'll not be preferring to use these materials. And actual
Mm.
contacts clearly हमें पता नहीं चलता है. But in Bosch, what they
Okay.
have used is something called as progressive color transfer. This is a technology used in
Oh.
Bosch in 100 micron, 200 microns. In fact, क्या होता है? Whenever it
Mm,
the occlusion is there, there will be a marks
mm, mm.
around the surface of around the area of the occlusal contact. So क्या होता है? Actual contact पे जो
Okay.
mark है, there will be no markings of the articulating paper. It will be just like a target,
Mm,
bullseye जैसे बोलते हैं,
mm,
target जैसे. So
mm,
we don't need to
mm.
reduce the whole of the color. हम लोग को सिर्फ वो बीच में
Okay.
जो जहाँ पे कलर नहीं है, there we need to reduce the occlusal high point. This is the technology used in Bosch
Okay.
in 200 microns. And in 180
Mm.
microns, there are something called as microfibrils, impregnated
Okay.
papers. So these are tear resistance.
Mm.
Okay, and these micro
Okay.
fibrils जो है, these also contain some color, and whenever the occlusion is there,
Mm.
this will be transferred on the
Mm.
opposite
Mm.
the restoration हुआ या तो फिर natural teeth हुआ. And in 40 micron, there are
Mm.
something called as micro capsules. Micro capsules are just
Oh.
like bubbles, जैसे water bubble जैसे होता है, या फिर normal
Mhm.
जो खाते हैं उसमें water bubble जैसे होता है.
Mm.
There the color is impregnated. Whenever the occlusion is there,
Mm.
these rupture and this
Mm.
color is transferred on the restoration.
Mhm.
This is how the technology they have
Mm.
used in Bosch. And that's why people,
Mm.
what we suggest is using Bosch articulating papers. These are very much
Mm.
accurate in their occlusal high points. I'm not trying to market these or anything, but this is the thing
Mm.
which they have used as a technology over other articulating papers. And this on occlusal contact, the coloring agent is expelled from these articulating films, and there is something
Mm.
like a bonding agent, translucase जैसे बोलते हैं
Mm.
इसको, material जो है, it will just stick to
Mm.
the tooth surface or the restoration. So that's how we get to know that these are the occlusal high points and these are the points we need to reduce. So using
So
this
now,
in
mhm.
early practice is very much important. एक बार जैसे हम लोग यूज हो जाएंगे Bosch use articulating papers पे, अच्छे वाले company, not just Bosch. If you want to go for Hanel also, that's also good. And Dentsply वालों का भी अच्छा है, although they don't
Mm.
tell their technology that openly. But these are also
Mm.
very well preferred over other
Mm.
articulating papers. और practice में हम जल्दी use करेंगे, then that will be our benchmark set. And occlusion is very very basic. कोई भी एक नॉर्मल सिंगल क्राउन हुआ या नॉर्मल सिंगल
Mm.
आरपीडी भी देना है, occlusal is very much important.
Mm.
थोड़ा भी अगर ज्यादा है, हम
Mm.
लोग बोलेंगे अच्छा 2 दिन बाद आ जाइए, everything will be fine. This is what we tell the patients. And
Mm.
patients also think अच्छा जैसे मैं नया वॉच पहनता हूँ या नए कपड़े पहनता हूँ या नया जूता पहनता हूँ, it will take 2 or 3 days of time. This is what the example which we give to our patients, and patients will be
Mm.
convinced by this. On back of our mind, हम लोग को भी डर रहता है, 2 दिन बाद कुछ वो
Mm.
पेशेंट वापस आ गया, वेटिंग एरिया में देखेंगे अच्छा क्राउन दिया था, कहीं सिरामिक चिप ऑफ ना हो गया, या तो फिर
Mm.
बाइटिंग फोर्सेस से फिर पेन ना हो गया. We know this might happen in future, but still we give these excuses and just finish the case. I think
Mm.
वो हमें नहीं करना चाहिए. So starting practice में हम लोग, when we use a standard materials, and all these
Mm.
errors will be gone, and then अपना practice भी अच्छा चलता रहेगा. And this is just एक patient जैसे example, एक crown डाल के गया या bridge डाल के गए, फिर then it will just spread in word of mouth. अच्छा, once we check everything, एक बार post इसमें हो गया, फिर उसके बाद डॉक्टर साहब 1 week के बाद चेकअप के लिए बुलाए थे, everything was set, and this is how the word of mouth spreads. I think that's the reason we need to start using good materials and start of the practice. Yes.
Amazing. Very well answered. What is Dr. Sufyan's special tip on articulating papers?
Yes. See, articulating paper high point जब भी high points हुआ है normal occlusion जब भी test करना हुआ, what I prefer, root canal treated teeth है, tooth है, root canal treated tooth है, and we just single example दे रहा हूँ, single crown करना है उस पे. What we do, we don't check the occlusion prior to the preparation. This is very much important. Prior to the preparation, not just on the single side. क्या होता है, हम लोग एक side कर रहे हैं, मान लो lower right में कर रहे हैं, and then we check the occlusion only on this side, and then it is obvious that patient will try to bite or get his jaw towards the right side. So what I prefer is use an U shape prior to the preparation. Okay, and then after the occlusal marks we get, just click a photograph and keep it for our references for later. Preparation हो गया, temporaries हो गया, temporaries डाल दिया, then use that same articulating paper and check the occlusion wherever high points, temporaries में, then you can just reduce it, fine. After the final one is done, after the cementation, after the, if you want to do a zirconia BIS trial, do the BIS trial. When you're doing the BIS trial, check the occlusion once again and take a photograph and just take 5 minutes. पर कंपेयर कर लीजिए जो पहला वाला प्री occlusion था, occlusal points and this occlusal points, are they matching or not? Maybe slightest of the difference, it might not match. So you just just mark कर लो and then you can send to a lab technician. अच्छा ये वाला is higher and ये वाला is lower. Once it comes from the lab, again final cementation पे cement it, take a photograph and this compare. I think this is one tip which I would use to because we don't want to change an existing occlusion just for one crown. एक crown के लिए हम लोग को बाकी दांत में occlusion set change करना, it's not advisable. When you're going full mouth, it's okay, no, not an issue. और one side कर रहे हैं, आपको अच्छा सा occlusion देना है, then that is fine, that is preferable. But single crown हुआ, this is one tip. And जैसे occlusion articulating paper check करते हैं, then we need to keep area free of saliva or free of it should be dry. एक है cotton roll पे या gauze पे bite करके, then we clear that clean that area with dry and make that area dry. And the other is tissue paper पे bite करो, then it will be dry. And after that, if you still feel कि you want a proper mark, apply some Vaseline. Okay, many might be knowing this trick, but still I'm just telling. Apply some Vaseline or local anesthetic gel if it is there with you. Okay, some kind of gel which will repel the water. What will happen? There will be just a very thin sheet. क्या होता है when you put this and then place it on patient, the water अगर just in case कुछ saliva है, water भी है, कुछ भी है, then it will just repel that and that point will be marked properly. I think once we start using, you can see the difference.
Oh wow, what an insightful session, Dr. Sufyan. I am glad and I'm really thankful for. I'm sure that you will again promptly say yes to our upcoming such a short question series. And I thank you on behalf of everybody for coming and answering all the questions. Thank you so much, Dr. Sufyan.
Yes, Dr. Ravi, thank you once again for this opportunity to share whatever I know, very small, even though it was a very small session and very much important. These few topics which are in day-to-day dentistry which we use. And I would like to congratulate and wish you all the best for your future endeavors. And I wish Wise Dentist just grows day by day and fulfill all your dreams and whatever the goal you have set in for Wise Dentist. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you. I take this as a compliment. And yes, we have only a goal. We would want to share each and everything we know, whatever little we know, and let us grow together is my motto. हम सब साथ में जो भी हमें आता है, let's share with each other, and that's how we grow. So we are trying to build a tribe that is going to be a game changer in the field of dentistry.
Yes.
And I must say thank you because you are going to be one of the strongest pillar in helping these people, right? Thank you so much.
Thank you. My pleasure, Dr. We see you. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.